Look no further, the home you've been searching for has arrived. Very well maintained home in Parkton is looking for its new owner. It could be you. Are you looking for a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath rancher in sought-after area situated on 3 acres? Home features attached 2-car garage, main floor laundry, newer appliances, as well as new septic, well pump and paved driveway with ample parking. Master bedroom features a full master bath and walk-out door to the fenced area of the property. No more having to walk to the back door to let the animals out in the middle of the night. Bedroom number 2 has entryway from both living room and hallway. Living room features one of the home's 2 fireplaces. The full, improved basement is just waiting for you to make it your own.